So Sammy, again, here's how we could make these two questions much easier to do than the way they look. So how do we do that? The first thing you want to do to this one, get rid of the fractions. When you get rid of the fraction, this becomes quite easy. How do we get rid of the fractions? Put in a square brackets around this and say I'm going to multiply this by the lowest common denominator, which is here between the 3 and the 4. The lowest common denominator is 12. Now, when we multiply the 12 inside the bracket, just know when you multiply the 12 into the fraction, you only multiply it to the top. You don't multiply it to the bottom. That's a common mistake that students do. They multiply it to the top and the bottom. So we're saying that we multiply it to the top. Now, that will give you 12 over 4x minus 24 over 3 equals 24. So I multiply it to the other side of the equal sign as well. We're multiplying the 12 into everything that's here. Now, 12 divided by 4, because fractions means dividing. So 12 divided by 4 is 3x minus 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8 equals 24. We have 3x. We got to move the negative 8 to the other side. And we move the negative 8 to the other side. We change that negative sign to plus. So that becomes 24 plus 8, or add 8 to both sides, whichever way you like. 3x equals 32. Divide both sides by 3. By 3, x equals 32 over 3. You cannot reduce that, so that's your final answer. Now, how about this one right here? One of my students said, but you have 2 x's here, and here you have only 1 x. That's okay, that's fine. So what we do is the same thing. We want to get rid of fractions, multiply by the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator between the 5 and 3 and 2 is 30, because 15, 2 doesn't go into 15, but 30, everything goes into 30. So 30 is what we multiply everything by. Now remember, we multiply just to the top in the fractions. So we have 120 over 5 minus 30 over 3x equals 30 over 2x. Now let's simplify this. 120 divided by 5, you could put that into your calculator, and that will give you 24 minus 30 divided by 3 is 10x, and this will be 15x. Now I want to bring the x's together to one side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move that negative 10x to the other side. When we move that negative 10x to the other side, it becomes plus 10x. So it'll be 24 equals 15x plus 10x, or just add 10x's to both sides if you like doing it that way. 24 equals 25x. If you want to isolate the x, you divide both sides by 25 by 25. And therefore you get x equal 24 over 25. And that is the right answer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with others who will benefit, and subscribe to the channel. Your support goes a long way. Math videos upload every week. Check out our other videos and browse our playlists for more helpful videos to watch. Thanks again for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.